Hi, today I'll be showing some of the features from Easysales Salesperson app. Okay, starting off, I will have to show with the dashboard. So in the dashboard, we have three types of summary, which is sales summary, sales item summary, and payment summary. In each of the summary, we can preview the summary or the report through PDF format, or we can either print it if we have the Bluetooth printer. Once we preview in the PDF format, it will show up the format of the customer's company, and then it will show up, and then we can share it to any of the social media platform. Next is the most important part, is the check-in part. Most of our customers will ask for this check-in part for their salesperson. So next, once we have the check-in part, so we can just press in the new and then we can just turn on the location, and then the salesperson can detect where is the salesperson is, and then the salesperson app will automatically capture it. So firstly, we choose the customer. Which customer are we going to meet them? Okay, so once we click in the check-in the button of the customer that we are going to meet, and then we can just key in our person to meet, the remark, and the handphone number. So once, if you have any other problems or work done that need to be key in, we can just key in, and then once done, we can just add on the check-in button. So you just press OK, and then we will have the check-in details here. So once the work all is done, and then once you want to check out from the place, we can just click in the checkout button, and then you will have to save. So once done, it will automatically go to the save document. So once saved, if you want to preview it, we just can click on it, or we can edit the check-in if you want to edit it. So we can see the details, the check-in and the check-out details of the salesperson. So if you want to update it, or you want to add on any problems on the work done, we can update using the update button here. So once done, we can either delete it or we can transfer it. So once transfer, we can just press in OK. And then you can go to the transfer part, and then you can see that in the transfer part, we have the details of the agent when to meet the customer in the transfer details here. Okay, next we have the customer part, customer module, where we can check all the customer details in here. So once we have to see one customer, we can check in all the details here. The location will appear here once you just turn on the location button, and then the location will appear here, and then you can check your customer name, the details of the customer in here. Next, if the customer has the branches will appear here. Next, we can check out their attachment, the previous attachment, or the outstanding amount. So in this button, we can check out the outstanding statement of their previous statement of the customer. So we can generate it. We can check out the outstanding amount of the customer. So it will appear in a document in a PDF format here, and then this also we can share it to any type of social media that we want. Next, we can check out the posted date or the outstanding amount of the customer. So we can check out the invoice number, the date created, the due amount, the outstanding amount of each, and then we can check out the overdue amount and then the balance amount as per today. Next, we also have the product module. In this product module, we have one category. In that category, we have the details of each of the item here. So firstly, we have the most easiest, the simple thing, easy search button, where we can search any types of biscuits or any item that we want, and it will appear here. So next, in that category, for example, here we have created biscuits and cakes, organic food, yogurt. So in this category of biscuits and cake, we have all the type of biscuit that is listed. So in this product, we just press in the small button here, I button, and then we can check out the product info of the product here. The quantity, amount, the inventory of the product details can be checked out here. So same goes to organic food. We can check out the available amount and all so on for each and every product that is listed in this product category. Okay. Next, we have the sales order module. So we just select the customer, which customer that we want to choose, and then using the easy search button, we can add on the type of products that we want. For example, I'm adding in biscuits and cake category, I'm adding this product. So the price is already provided. Here in the list price, we just press the list price here, and then we choose how many quantity of amount that we want. For example, I'm adding 100 units, and then we can give out over 5% discount, and it will automatically calculate here. So we can add and go to cart. Next, I'm adding more options of the product. So I'm just adding on this product here. Okay, so I just press on the list price here, and then I'm adding around 100 units again, and then I'm giving a free of charge of another 5 units. So we don't have to use the calculator and calculate by ourselves. It will automatically generate the amount of once we have put the pricing and then the quantity, it will automatically calculate. And then we add and go to cart. So once you can see here in the sales order here, we have added 2 products. Then one product with 5% discount, and then another product I've given a 5 unit of free. So we can save. So once saved, we can go to the save module, and then we can check out the products that we added. Then we can generate it through PDF. We can generate export the document details as PDF. So it will appear in a PDF format. We can either print it or we can again share it to customer or email it to the customer. So once all the product is okay, you can transfer the item. So once transfer is done, you can check the transfer order through the date that we want. For example, I'm choosing today, the delivery date, or we can choose the salesperson or we can choose the customer. So once done, so I've just chosen this. So when we search, it will appear here. So we have to confirm orders. We can check out all the orders. So the details of the orders will appear here. Lastly, we have the payment module. So we select the customer. So payment module is they will retrieve the invoices, the previous outstanding amount of the customer. So when the customer wants to pay, we can, for example, I'm putting 2,400, and then once we apply, it will apply by itself. We don't have to think and choose which is the first invoice, second invoice. So this app will automatically put up the date, the first date of the invoice created. So it will automatically apply the amount of the balance outstanding amount. So once done, we can choose what type of payment, whether we want cash or check. If we choose check, we have to add in the check number, the date, the bank that we are receiving in, and then we capture a picture of the check picture. So I'm choosing cash. So once choose by cash, we will automatically give the cash to the salesperson there, and then we have to just save it. And then not only that, we can check out once 2,400 has been applied for the 3 invoices, so balance amount will still have that. So applied is 2,400, outstanding we still have 2,338 ringgit 43 cents. So once done, we will have the outstanding amount in the date, and then we can save it. So once the payment is saved, we can check out the details of the payment of the customer has been done. Once done, okay, we can proceed to transfer the payment. We can either transfer it automatically, or we can preview and transfer it. So that's all for the payment part. So next I'll come back with another type of features to show up in the Salesperson app. Thank you.